This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Cindy Mayberry. A waterfront community with no required HOA. With a boat ramp, community pier, and dock just a short walk away, it must be the perfect spot for anyone who enjoys spending time on the water. This meticulously maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is move-in ready. The 4th bedroom being over the garage might also be a flexible space, ideal for guests or as a home office. A deck overlooking a spacious half-acre yard might be perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or even growing your vegetable garden. 30 minutes to OBX and 15 minutes to Chesapeake. February 23, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Mayberry at 757-287.